Assalamualaikum students. I'm your teacher Sayyid Shahmila and I'm teaching Environmental Studies Part 1. We had already completed 5th unit and the name of the unit is Water for Every Household. So we are about to begin its exercise. So let's get started. The first question is, what's the solution? You have to imagine it and what will you do at that time? You have to answer in that way. So, what's the solution? The first one is, the common tap in the locality is seen dripping all the time. What will you do? So, what does it mean? First of all, common tap मतलब एक जनरल नल जो हर एरिया में होता है तो वो बह रहा है. It's dripping all the time. So, what will you do in that situation? The answer is, if someone finds the common tap in the locality dripping all the time, then the person should call a plumber and ask him to repair the tap. So what you can do? If you find the tap dripping, if you find it running all the time and you can't fix the tap, you can't fix it, you can't repair it, then you will call for a plumber. Who is a plumber? A plumber generally does the work of mending and repairing the taps and pipes which are broken or dripping. So you will call a plumber to repair the tap. Now use your brain power. What can you do to ease the work of filling and storing water in your house? What can you do to ease the work of filling and storing water in your house? And the answer is, one can install a big tank at the terrace to ease the task of filling and storing water in your house. And you can even install a pump. See, right or wrong? Somebody drank water from the pot and left the lid beside it. Is it right or wrong? Wrong. We should always cover the drinking water with a lid because it may get contaminated with dust and rubbish particles. The second one is, Nisha waters her plants with the water she has used for cleaning the dishes. Is it right or wrong? Right. See, if the water is clean and does not contain any foam lather or soap lather, then Nisha can use the water for her plants, otherwise she can't. Matlab, if the water is clean, then she can use the water for watering the plants. If the water is dirty, by soap lather मतलब जो झाग होता है ना साबुन का, अगर वो उससे गंदा हो चुका है, then you can't water the plants with it. When water comes in the tap, Sai empties her pot and fills it again. So what is the answer? Wrong. Water doesn't become stale, so it's not good to empty the pot every day. So water doesn't become stale, मतलब पानी बासी नहीं होता है. So it's not good to empty the pot every day because in emptying it every day, the water gets wasted. Reshma carries drinking water with her when she goes for a picnic. So the answer is right. Sometimes water at public places may not be safe for drinking, hence it's better to carry water from home. Suppose you went for picnic at some park. So it may happen that the water there may not be potable water, may not be safe for drinking. So it's better to carry water bottle from your home. Why should we cover the drinking water with a lid? Answer the following question. And the first one is, why should we cover the drinking water with a lid? And the answer is, water may get contaminated by dust and other rubbish present in the air and the surroundings. So in order to protect the water from contamination, we should cover the drinking water with lid. So water gets dirtied by dust and other rubbish present in the air. So it's better to cover the water with a lid. Does water become stale? We had seen that water does not become stale, and it is just our misconception that water becomes stale. Water does not become stale. It's just a misunderstanding that it becomes stale. Now the third one is, how does water from tanks which are installed at roofs reach our kitchens and bathrooms? How does it reach there? Water from tanks which are installed at roofs reach our kitchens and bathrooms through pipes and taps that are fitted on the pipes. So how does water reach to us? Through pipes, and taps are also fitted to the pipes, so we can easily draw water from it. Now homework. See, every one of you has to do the homework. When the school will open, we will check your homework. So maintain a different book for every subject and do your homework properly and neatly. The first one is, fill in the blanks. When the water in the container is finished, we wash the container well before dash it, before refilling it. So before electricity was discovered, it was not possible to raise water to every great height. Dash, situated on the banks of the river in Yamuna, North India. Delhi. Delhi is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna in North India. Nashik in Maharashtra is on the banks of the Godavari river. Answer the following questions. What is the best method of taking out water from the container? The next one is, what is purification of water? The third one is, what is distribution of water? The fourth one is, which fuel is used to run the machines for purification of water? I hope you have understood the homework as well as the exercise. Jazakallah khairan for listening me, and stay